Hi all, hope you are doing good and I believe that you are enjoying Resonance 2016. Let me use this opportunity to thank Preeti for giving me a chance to present this video before you, and let me start thanking all the district leaders who supported IBC Titans Toastmasters Club like anything. Let me start with our district director, Toastmaster Gauri Sheshadri. Gauri, I missed to tell a goodbye to you, but let me say you something. I am here in Delhi as a missionary of Toastmasters, as a missionary of IBC Titans Toastmasters Club. Yes, I am a Toastmaster and I will remain to be a Toastmaster. Let me thank our energetic division director, Toastmaster Sudhanshu. I still remember every calls he made. If he did not give us those calls on the right time, then we must have missed many of the deadlines. I am proud today to say that we did not miss any deadlines and we are too happy that we are running for the Golden Gavel Plus award. Let me use this opportunity to also to thank our area director, most loud Tony V. Francis. Tony visited our club. Tony gave us a number of instructions. He is guiding, he is supporting, and he's still with the club. Anytime reachable. If he don't pick up the call within next 5 or 10 minutes, he'll give me a call back. I found that many times even he was driving and still he gave me calls, and he was supporting our club. In case of any concerns, he was there to answer my queries. Thank you, Tony, for being with us. Let me also thank other district leaders, especially distinguished Toastmaster Suhas. Suhas is there with us from the very beginning. He is the mentor of our club. If in case if you don't know, like during the initial days of our club, when we were forming the team and everything, Suhas was there to help us from outside Oracle. And those days, if I remember, like we were struggling to make up 10 DCP points, and Suhas came. We met Suhas during the TLI program, and he said, "You do just this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, and it is done." And you know what happened? We did it, and we achieved Golden Gavel Plus last year. Thank you, Suhas, for guiding us, for inspiring us. And now to all other district leaders, if I'm right, we have the presence of area director Toastmaster Dr. Priyadarshini, my friend. She indeed helped us a lot. Maybe when we go outside the club for other activities, we were searching for the friend circle, and she was the first person who approached us. Me, Preeti, we all were new to this Toastmasters thing, and she was the first person who led us on the right track and who guided us to show through which way we must travel. Thank you, Priya, for being with us. Let me also thank our past presidents, Toastmaster Mike and Toastmaster Rajiv. IBC Titans today stands at its heights just because of these leaders. They cleared the entire path and we just traversed in that very easy, clear path. It's all because of you, Rajiv and Mike, and all other leaders who sincerely work for IBC Titans. I thank you. I thank you on behalf of the entire club and our family. Now, let me thank all my officers. Today, if we are running for Golden Gavel Plus Award and if we did not miss any deadlines, if we did all things on right time, then I must say that it's not just because of me, it's not just because of a single other person, but it's just because of our team activity. The entire team contributed towards a lot towards it. And I must specially thank all my officers, starting from VP Education, Toastmaster Preeti Jayapal. She was my right hand, and I could not have done anything without her support. She never said no. I believe she is having more than 24 hours in a day. She was too busy and still she found time to help us to work with the club and all other activities. I said, let's go there. She said, yes. I said, let's go here. She said, yes. She never said no to me. Thank you, Toastmaster Preeti. I could see a smile somewhere out there, and it's nobody's. It's Nikhil's smile. If I had any question, if I had any doubt, then the first person whom I could approach is Toastmaster Nikhil, because he had an answer for everything and he could solve it within seconds. God indeed has blessed him with a brilliant oratory skills, and he could make anybody flat within seconds. Thank you, my VP memberships, Toastmaster Nikhil, for supporting and guiding us. My VPPR, Toastmaster Anusha. I must admit, this is one of the most difficult tasks to come up with posters, to come up with new designing things, to come up with letters and kind of things. Anusha did it really well. She come up with one poster, the next day say that, hey, this is not good, let's edit it, let's make it better. She did it. And I was wondering that some of the other day she's going to hate me, but it never happened. And she did it really well. Thank you, Anusha, for supporting me, for supporting Art Club. Next is my secretary, Toastmaster Madhura. She not just maintained the records, she was not just good in writing, she's a good orator, she's a good leader. And moreover, I'm sure that she might be running out there clicking out your pics. Thank you, Madhura, for those beautiful profile pics, and I believe that it's just because of you. Most of us are having good profile pics today, and my profile pic is dedicated for you. Next, let me thank my treasurer, Toastmaster Govardhan. It's very difficult to make money and find money. Oracle being a corporate club, everyone expects that we are having enough money, but it's not true. We find ourselves money for the club activities. And let me use this opportunity to thank Toastmaster Goa, because we never had a difficulty in finding money. Some or the other way we found it and we did things. Thank you, Toastmaster Goa. Now let me thank my surgeon at arms, Toastmaster Chandra. If I'm right, last installation happened on a 100 session, and today we stands close to 130. It's all because that we conducted so many meetings in the last 6 months. And I must thank Toastmaster Chandra for being my surgeon at arms. Thank you, Toastmaster Chandra. We have a very new set of officers taking their charge today under the able leadership of Preeti Jayapal. I wish you all the very best, and I'm sure that Preeti is going to rock this time. And I don't have any doubt that we will be missing the Golden Girl Plus or so. No such doubts. We will be winning it. Let me congratulate all the new officers: uh, Toastmaster Muthu, Toastmaster Amritash, Toastmaster Vanita, Toastmaster Puneet, Toastmaster Aarti, all of you, all the very best, and all other associate officers as well. Let me also thank our assistant area director, Toastmaster Shrija. I believe she was the person who took up the role of editor for the newsletter. It's a really difficult task again to find out articles, to get it collected. I remember she was struggling to get even an article from me for the last 6 months, and but finally she managed it somehow, and she did it really well. Congratulations, Toastmaster Srija, and thanks for supporting the club. And thanks for all your works in the area level as well. To all other new members, senior members out there, everyone, thank you. My sincere thanks for supporting the club, for supporting my team, and for expressing your trust in my team. Thank you. Let me also use this opportunity to request all the freshers or the first timers to just enjoy the journey of Toastmasters. We have very good leaders out there to help you, to guide you. But only thing what you need to do yourself is just be regular in the meetings. Attend the meetings. Do not miss any meetings. And once you exploit the opportunities within Oracle, then you have n number of opportunities outside Oracle waiting for you. The Toastmasters journey never ends inside your club. It just starts from your club. I wish you all the very best, and I must say this thing as well. I miss you, IBC Titans. Thank you.